Wednesday, April 25th, day 33. I'm planning to just take a short one today. Of course, I say that. Plans change by the minute out here. But there's a special place coming up called the Grayson Highlands Park, where they have feral ponies, wild ponies just roaming around out there, and they'll come up and talk to the hikers. And but there's a rule there that you can't camp in that Grayson Highlands Park. So there is a place just outside, just before you get to the park. It's only a short hike today, maybe 12 miles to that last place to camp, which will set me up for walking through the pony park tomorrow. And and we had rain all night last night, so I've got a couple of things that would benefit from hanging out to dry. If it ever clears up, it's still just all foggy and misty and water dripping everywhere out here right now. But yeah, so not planning a hard day, planning a fun day, taking pictures of ponies tomorrow. It's you still got to hike. There's a mountain right in front of me I'm about to start climbing. It's going to be several thousand feet of elevation gain for me. And, I'll be taking off my jacket for that, I'm sure. But look at this trail today. It's all foggy and kind of nice. All right, so today turned into wind, fog, rain pretty much all day long. So my little 12-mile walk up to the Thomas Knob shelter was miserable. I was walking through water the whole time. Anyway, I got up there. It's a funky little shelter up on a hill, and I decided to go further down and about 2/10 of a mile and find a campsite, stealth campsite. So this is where I am tonight. Called it early. I could have gone another 5 miles down to the next shelter, but then it's in the Grayson Highlands Park, and I would have had to stay in the shelter rather than my tent. And I kind of prefer sleeping in my tent. I like my space. Got my little bag hanging up in the tree over there, a little blue thing with all my food in it. And there's wind and fog and mist blowing up here, but I am kind of hidden back behind the trees, so I'm not going to get hit with it so much. But tired of being cold and wet today, so I'm going to bed.